Assalamualaikum students, once again welcome to Miss Areeba's class. Today we are going to find out unknown angles and we will see different examples that how to find unknown angles around a point. So we have already discussed in our previous video that what is sum of angle on a point that is equals to 360 degrees. Our first example is 4 angles around a point. You can see this is a point, and if you will see all around it, sum of all angle is equals to 360, and we have to find this one angle B with the help of other 3 angles. As I just told you that angle on a point is equals to 360, so I can write it like B plus 71 plus 89 plus 37 is equals to 360. Now I will add up all these constant values, which is equals to 197 is equals to 360. Now you have to move this 197 on the other side. B is equals to 360 minus 197 is equals to 163. So value of this unknown angle is 163, and if you want to check your answer, you may add 71, 89, 37 and 163. That will be equals to 360 degrees. Now here another example for angle around a point, but now you can see that one of the angle is x, the other angle is 110, but here these 2 angles are also unknown. So if we will take x plus unknown angle plus unknown angle plus 110 is equals to 360 degrees, so we can't find value of x because we have 3 unknown values. Now I will think about another option, and what's that option? We just have learned in the previous value that if 2 straight lines are crossing each other, as you can see these both are straight lines, so opposite angles will be equal. So here I will ignore this concept that sum of all angle is equals to 360 because I have 3 unknown angles, but now here I will apply that x is equals to 110 because they are vertically opposite. So this is simple concept of vertically opposite angles, that x is equals to 110. Third example is a complex example. It's like we are going to use different concept in this one figure. As you can see, these all angles are around 1 point, but here is the same problem that we have 3 of the angles unknown. One is x and 2 of these angles are unknown. So when there is more than one unknown angle, it's not possible to do it with that sum of angle is equals to 360 degrees. So we have to think about another option. Now I am going to split this shape into different parts to find unknown values. If you will observe this AC line is a straight line, so I am going to hide. Now you can see that these both angles are on a straight line, and this line is splitting that straight line, so it means that these both angles are supplementary angles. From these supplementary angles we can find this unknown angle. So I am writing over here that 144 plus this unknown angle is equals to 180 degree. I can give this an unknown angle a name A, so I will replace it over here. So in next step I will move 144 on the other side, so 180 degree minus 144, and that is equals to 36 degrees. So value of this unknown angle A is 36 degree. I can write it over here. Second, if you will observe this, if this A is 36, this unknown angle will be also 36. As you can see, AC and BD are straight line and crossing each other, so opposite angles are vertically opposite angles. I can say that this is also A because they are vertically opposite. For this x, there are more than one way to find this value of x. The first one is that which I have just done by splitting the figure into two parts. Now you can see this BD line as a straight line, and all these three angles are on a straight line. And what does it mean? Angle on straight lines mean they are equals to 180 degree. Two of angles are known, only one angle is unknown, so we can do it with that. So 74 plus x plus 36 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. And when I will add these both term, this is equals to 110 degree plus x is equals to 180 degrees. Move this 110 on the other side to get this value. So x is equals to 180 degree minus 110 degrees, which is equals to 70 degrees. X is 70 degree. The other way to find value of x, that I can split the figure like this as well. Again, x 74a are on the straight line, so it will be equals to 180 degree again, and from here you can find value of x in the same way. The third way which I am going to tell you is again by using the same method, angle on a point. So these all angles are around a one point, and now we have all angles except this. So I can write it like this: x plus a plus 144 plus a plus 74 is equals to 360 degrees. Now here you can replace value of a, which is 36 degrees plus 144 plus 36 plus 74 is equals to 360 degrees. Now you can add up these all constant terms and move them to the other side and subtract it from 360. So these all values will give us sum of 290 degrees. X plus 290 degrees is equals to 360 degrees, and now you have to move it on the other side to find value of x. X is equals to 360 degree minus 290, and that's again equals to 70 degree. So in both ways you can compare your answer, they are 70 degrees. Now it's up to you that how are you looking at the figure and how are you splitting it or finding unknown value of it. Last example. Now again you can see these all four angles are equals to 360 degrees if I am going to give them name A, B. So these all angles are around 360 degrees and around a point. But problem is that we have to find this 2m plus 20 and m plus 80. For that we should know value of m. We don't have value of m, we do not have value of a and b, so angle around a point is not applicable over here. So what we have to do for the second solution, the second solution was that we can split the figure. But if we will split the figure into two parts, like if I am splitting it like this, these two angles are angles on a straight line. So again the problem is that A and M, two angles are unknown. So again angle on straight line is not applicable over here. Third, which we have done in very easy method, vertically opposite angles. If this angle m plus 80, let's suppose it's equals to 5, so this angle will also be equals to 5, means vertically opposite angles are always same. And as their variables are same, we can find it easily by putting them in an equation. M plus 80 degree is equals to 2m plus 20. Now these both equations, now these both sides are same because they are vertically opposite. Now just we have to move constant on one side and variable on the other side. So I am going to move 20 on this side and smaller m on the other side because I want to keep this m, the bigger one m, positive. So this is what 80 minus 20 is equals to 2m minus m. And from here, this is 60 and this is m. Implies that m is equals to 60 degrees. Now we have our value of m. But we have to find unknown angle m plus 80 and the other one is 2m plus 20. So for that, simply replace value of m by 60 degrees plus 80 degrees, which is equals to 140 degrees. So here this is 140 degrees. Obviously this will be also 140 degree, but I will solve it for you to check my answer. 2m plus 20 means 2 into 60 plus 20. So 2 into 60 is 120 plus 20 and that is 140 degree. Here we go. So this is how we can find unknown angles by different ways. First, we should know that angle around a point is 360, but if there are more than one unknown angle in that, then we have to split the figure according to straight line or sometime according to complementary angle. And the third option is this, that vertically opposite. So you have to keep all this in your mind, that if one is not applicable, you have to quickly think about the other option. So this is from now. I hope you would like my video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.